In this video, I'm going to find out if the Lisle 53200 oil filter wrench for a John Deere tractor will fit this Baldwin BT287-10 oil filter that fits the Gardner Denver air compressors on the mezzanine above me. So I'm going to unbox the wrench. This box came directly from Lisle. I just ordered it online with a credit card, of course. It's got some gratuitous packaging material in here and a wrench. Let me get the filter out of the way. I really need a regular tripod for this. So here it is, oil filter wrench for John Deere, and it's even in multiple languages. So the range goes from 4 3/4 inch to 5 3/16 inch, and it's supposed to have a swivel here for the grip. It does say made in the USA. So let me cut through the clear plastic that's holding it to the cardboard backing. Now let's see how well it fits. Oh yeah, I'd say that fits pretty good. Well, that answers that question. Thanks for watching.